Welcome back to Creative Insights, the show where we dive deep into the world of content creation and explore the journeys of successful creators. I'm host Anna, and today, we have an exciting guest who's made a name for himself in the digital world. Please welcome content creator and digital marketing expert, James Porter. James, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Anna. It's great to be here.
James, you've built an impressive following across various platforms, and many of our viewers are eager to start their own journey as content creators. Let's start from the very beginning. What's the first step someone should take if they want to become a successful content creator?
The first step is to identify your niche. This means figuring out what you're passionate about and where your strengths lie. Whether it's gaming, fashion, fitness, or tech reviews, choosing a niche allows you to focus your content and attract an audience that's interested in that specific topic.
That makes sense. So once you've chosen a niche, what's next? I want my viewers to learn something great.
After identifying your niche, it's important to research your audience. Understand who they are, what they're looking for, and what kind of content they engage with. This will help you create content that resonates with them. You should also check out what's already out there. Look at successful creators in your niche and see what's working for them.
That's impressive. So I want you to tell me, my fans, how do you start creating content, especially if you're on a tight budget or don't have fancy equipment?
Great question. Start with what you have. You don't need expensive gear to begin. Most smartphones today have decent cameras, so use that to your advantage. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content rather than worrying about perfection. Over time, as you grow, you can invest in better equipment.
That's encouraging for beginners. What about consistency? How important is it?
Consistency is key. It's one of the most important factors in building a successful channel or brand. Set a content schedule that you can stick to, whether it's posting weekly, bi-weekly, or daily. This helps build trust with your audience and keeps them coming back for more.
That's great. And what about promotion? Once you've started creating content, how do you get it out there?
Social media is your best friend. Share your content across all platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, and collaborate with other creators. Don't underestimate the power of SEO, search engine optimization, either. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to make your content more discoverable. This is my secret that I'm sharing with your fans today, Anna.
Thank you so much, James. I'm so happy. We've talked about a lot of steps, but what's the most important piece of advice you'd give to someone just starting out?
Stay patient and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build an audience, learn from your mistakes, and refine your content. Don't get discouraged by slow growth. Every successful creator has been there. Keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, enjoy the process.
That's fantastic advice, James. Thank you for sharing your insights with us today. I'm sure our viewers are feeling inspired and ready to start their content creation journey.
My pleasure, Anna. Best of luck to everyone out there. Just remember, every successful creator started where you are now.
Thank you, James. And to our viewers, don't forget to subscribe or follow for more tips and inspiration from top creators. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.